Before we get into this video, I would like to let you guys know that there is some Christmas merch from Legends Garage. Link in the description. Also, I'm planning on doing another Q&A. It's been a while since I've done one. So if you have a question for the Q&A, just type in the comments Q&A and then your question, and I will answer it in the Q&A, which will probably be uploaded next week or week after. Yo guys, my name is Legend and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am currently heading home, just at school, just grabbed something to eat real quick, and now I'm going home. The weather has still been getting chilly, and I finally ordered my heated hand grips. I don't know if I already told you guys, but I did order some heated hand grips. I really hope they come in soon, because I'm still riding with my summer gloves. Because I hate riding with my winter gloves because they're so thick, and I want to feel my bike. If you ride a bike, you know what I mean. If you have like really thick gloves, it feels awkward to like brake and all this stuff with your bike, you know? You know, it just feels weird and awkward, and it feels better with like summer gloves or gloves that are a little bit thinner, less thick. But right now it is actually pretty doable outside. It's just in the mornings when it's still early and a little bit dark. That's, oh fuck. That's when it really sucks to ride my bike. I mean, it doesn't suck, it just, you know, cold. I mean, it doesn't really bother me. The only thing that bothers me is my hands. I have good jacket, I have good boots, I have good gloves, but they're summer gloves. But I'm not bothered by the cold. It's just my hands that start to hurt after a while, because I'm a little pussy. It's Vlogs behind me. Yeah, sure. I'm still on my trustworthy Yamaha. Ooh, a little something I used to do, if you guys remember some of the older subs. I used to do like kilometer checks, telling you guys how much kilometers I have right now on my odometer. Is that what it's called? Odometer? Right now I have 7,400 kilometers on the odometer, which is not a lot, but it's, I mean, it's okay, it's getting there, slowly creeping up to 10,000. That was loud. So yeah, slowly creeping up. I've been riding for a year and a half now on this bike, so I mean it's not a lot, but it's okay-ish. I'm going to treat this video a little bit like an update video. I've been making videos on all kinds of topics and stuff, so I figured I'll take a step back from all the topics and just do a good old school type video like I used to, just ride around, talk about random stuff. I've been doing a lot of topic videos because those are easier to get some views on. It's like topics that people actually look for on YouTube, so you can get some views off of that. If you're just talking about random stuff, it's just only the subscribers that really come across it. Nobody is going to... Whoa, what was that? Slipped into neutral. Nobody is really just going to look for an update video, because that's just boring. But it's been like a really long time, so here it is. First topic I could kind of talk about. Ooh, the backfires, god damn. Ooh, that's a nice bike. Yeah, so the first thing I could really kind of like talk about is the PBR. I'm working on part 3 of the video. I'm doing the front forks. One of my friends came and picked up some of the parts from the front forks because he has some fancy equipment to make them look better. So I'm just waiting until I get them back from him, and once I get them back I can just put them together and record the rest of the video. I also have some wheel shit, wheels and tires I already have, which I'm also working on. They're really greasy from my chain, from the chain loop, so I need to degrease them, sand them, paint them. Whee! Oh my god. I also have a second project that I'm working on with a friend. He has a little 2-stroke pit bike that we're restoring. Not really restoring, we're just fixing it up, which is a whole other different project that you guys will be seeing. I don't know when, because it's a lot of work, because it was in really bad condition, but it's pretty fun. It's a 2-stroke 50cc pit bike. Little Boa Vlogs update. He is still on his 50cc tux. I have no clue what he is planning on doing, if he ever will upgrade. It seems like he's just stuck in his 50cc days, which is a shame. A lot of people want to see some more Boa Vlogs, dual vlogs and stuff, but it's pretty difficult. Well, it's pretty impossible to do a dual vlog. I mean, it's not impossible, but you know, it's just not that easy. A 50cc and a 125 is like a big difference. It's weird because the difference between like a 125 and a 300, okay, it's big and it's way, a 125 is way slower, but you can ride together. It's perfectly doable. But a 50cc and a 125, it's so difficult to ride together because the 50cc's here in Belgium are allowed to go like 45. Most of the roads that you take with your motorcycle are roads that a 50cc isn't even allowed to go on. Of course, there are people that say, fuck it, I'm just taking the road anyway, and that tune their 50cc's and go a little bit faster. But still, I mean, it's weird. I ride with some like 50cc people, but it's like small distances, like 15 minutes going somewhere. But for example, the road trip I took in the beginning of summer was mostly 125cc's, like 10 125cc's, one 150cc, and then one 400cc. And it was perfectly doable with a bunch of us. But if there would have been one 50cc with us, it would have been, I mean, we would have had to plan everything completely differently and stuff, you know. And the channel is doing really good. Over 3,000 subscribers right now, which is just awesome. And almost 700,000 views. Damn, it's windy. Almost 700,000 views. Sorry if you guys can hear the wind noise, but it's a really windy day today. So yeah, the channel has been awesome. Also, there's some new Christmas merch, Legends Garage merch. Limited edition, only available during Christmas, obviously. So if you would like a Christmas hoodie, I know I'm a little bit late with it, but if you would like a Christmas hoodie or a t-shirt, you can check them out in the description. And also I'm doing a Q&A, because usually I do a Q&A every like 1,000 subscribers. But it's been a while since I've done one, so I'm doing another one. So if you have a question, just type in the comments hashtag Q&A followed by your question, and I will make sure to answer them. So this is it for this week, guys. I'm sorry it's been a pretty short video, just a short update, let you guys know what I'm doing. A little bit of an old school vlog, old school PBR vlog, but with the R125. If you enjoyed, then please leave a like. If you want to see more, then please subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. But bye.